Hello everyone. Today we are talking about something exciting and very important, and that is artificial intelligence. You might have heard about AI a lot lately, but what exactly is it and how is it changing our lives? From helping us with small tasks to changing big industries, AI is becoming a part of our everyday world. So in this video, we will take a simple and clear journey into understanding how AI tools are shaping the way we live. Let's get started. I have divided this video into some sections, and the sections are: what is artificial intelligence? AI in our daily lives. How AI helps us at work. AI in healthcare. AI in education. The future of AI. Challenges and concerns. We are going to talk on these 7 sections. So let's get started from here. So we are going to talk on what is artificial intelligence. Let's understand what AI really is. In simple word, artificial intelligence means making computers and machines smart enough to do tasks and usually need human intelligence. It's like teaching a computer to think, learn and make decisions, just like we do. For example, when you talk to Siri or Alexa and they answer your questions, that's AI. When Netflix recommends a movie you might like, that's AI too. Let's talk about how does it works. AI uses lots of data to learn from. Imagine you are learning to recognize animals. The more pictures of cats and dogs you see, the better you get at telling which is which. AI works the same way. It learns from lots of data to get better at tasks. Let's talk about some key takeaways. AI mimics human thinking. It gets better with more data and practice. We already use AI in our daily lives, often without realizing it. Now move to the section number 2. Section number 2 is AI in our daily lives. AI is everywhere around us, even if we don't notice it. Let's look at some common examples. Number 1. Voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. They all belongs to AI. These are like digital helpers. You can ask them to play music, set reminders, check the weather, or even control your home lights. They understand your voice and respond with answers. Thanks to AI. Recommendations on Netflix and YouTube. You have ever noticed how Netflix suggests movies or shows you might like? It's because AI looks at what you have watched before and predicts what you might enjoy next. Chatbots and customer service. When you visit a website and a chat window pops up asking how it can help, that's usually an AI chatbot. It can answer your questions and solve problems, saving time for both you and the company. Email filters. Your email uses AI to sort messages. It identifies spam or junk mail and keeps them out of your main inbox, making it easier for you to find important emails. Smart home devices, smart lights, thermostats. Devices like smart lights and thermostats learn your habits. For example, they might notice that you like your room warm in the morning and adjust the temperature automatically. Simple explanation is AI tools are likely invisible helpers that make our daily tasks easier, from playing music to suggesting movies and even helping with customer support. Now let's talk about section 3. Section 3 is how AI helps us at work. AI is also changing the way we work by making us more efficient and productive. Here is how. Automating repetitive tasks. Imagine you have sent 100 emails every day. AI tools can help automate this process so you don't have to do it manually. It saves a lot of time. Writing and content creation. Tools like Grammarly help you write better emails by checking your grammar. AI writing tools can also help create content like blog posts, social media captions, and even video script. Analyze data. Businesses use AI look to large amount of data quickly. For example, an online store can use AI to understand which products are selling well and which are not, helping them make better decisions. Virtual meetings. AI in meeting apps like Zoom can create automatic captions and even summarize the meeting, so you don't miss important points. And a simple explanation is, at work AI takes care of boring repetitive tasks, helps us write better, and analyze information faster. This way we can focus on more important and creative tasks. Let's talk about section number 4. Section number 4 is AI in healthcare. AI is also making a big changes in healthcare, making it easier for doctors to treat patients and for people to stay healthy. Fitness and health apps. Apps like Fitbit and MyFitnessPal. They use AI to track your exercise, steps and even your sleep. They give you advice on how to stay healthy. Medical diagnosis. AI helps doctors look at medical images like X-ray to find problems early. It can detect disease like cancer faster and sometimes more accurately than humans. Online health checkups. Some websites and apps use AI to ask you about your symptoms and suggest what might be wrong. It's like having a mini doctor checkup from your phone. AI in healthcare helps us to stay fit, helps doctor diagnose problem early, and provides basic health advice through apps. Let's talk about number section 5. Section 5 is AI in education. AI is also helping students to learn better. Personalized learning. AI in apps like Khan Academy learns what topics a student struggle with and customize lessons to help them understand better. Language learning. Apps like Duolingo use AI to teach languages, and app adapts the lesson based on your progress, making it easier and more effective. AI tutors. Some platforms use AI to answer students' questions quickly and provide help with homework, acting like a personal tutor. AI helps students learn at their own pace, offers customized lessons, and provides quick help when they need it. Let's talk about number section 6. The future of AI. What's next for AI? Let's look at some exciting possibilities. Smarter homes. In the future, our homes will become even smarter. AI could control everything from lights to temperature based on your preferences. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla are working on cars that can drive themselves using AI. These cars will be able to take you to your destination safely without you having to steer. Virtual reality (VR) with AI. AI will make virtual experience more real. Imagine playing a game or attending a meeting where the characters or people react in their real time just like humans. The future of AI looks very promising. It will make our homes smarter, bring self-driving cars, and make virtual experience more realistic. Let's talk about number section 7. Section 7 is challenges and concerns. AI is amazing, but it also comes with some challenges. Privacy issues. Many AI tools collect data about us. It's important to ensure our personal information is kept safe. Job loss. Some jobs that involve repetitive tasks might be replaced by AI, but at the same time, new jobs in tech and AI development are being created. Bias in AI. If AI learns from biased data, it can make unfair decisions. It's important to create AI systems that are fair and unbiased. While AI brings many benefits, we need to handle it carefully to protect our privacy, avoid job loss, and ensure fairness. Let's conclude this video. AI is already a big part of our lives, making our daily tasks easier, helping us work better, and even improving healthcare and education. As AI continues to grow, it will bring even more changes and improvements. But we must use it responsibly, keeping in mind its challenges. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and informative content. Let me know in the comments how you use AI tools in your life. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.